Hi, hi, hi. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. No one is saying anything. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, good morning. Hi, hello, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, good morning, good morning, good morning. Bagunara, Bagunara. Everyone manchi at home. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. So everyone manchi at home. Yeah, very good, very good, very good, very good. So what's going on at home? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? What's going on? What's going at home? Chilling or studying? I'm also good. Thank you. Yeah, directly proportional. If students are manchi, teacher will be also manchi. If you are good, I am also good. No problem. I'm also good. No problem. So what's going on? Chilling or studying? Yeah, chilling with studying. Your answer should be chilling with studying. We are not normal people, sir. We are ultra pro legend. So we are also chilling. Remaining entire world is chilling. We are also chilling, but we are chilling with study. They are chilling with different ways, but we are ultra pro legend. We are also chilling, but we are not chilling with other things. We are chilling with study. Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, okay. Chance is there. Definitely you will get the seat, doctor. Yeah, this is not a meeting for you. But looking at your marks, definitely you will get. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Yeah, okay, no problem. So, shall we start? I think yesterday you gave your test also. How was your test? How was your test? You gave your test also. Usmania, maybe we have to see. Once you can see the meeting that we had there, or we will have meeting soon. For Telangana, no meeting was conducted. Meeting will be there, then you can see. How was your test? Manchi, sir. Good, sir. Very good, very good. So keep on doing your hard work. Maybe test was not that much tough because we are slowly starting, but slowly test will become tough also. Sometimes marks will be less, sometimes marks will be more. So don't worry about marks. Keep on doing your hard work. Keep on doing your hard works. Yeah, yeah. More than 100 is a good marks in this paper. More than 100 if you are getting, then no problem. Yeah, means that is good, but you should not be satisfied just with 100 marks. You have to cross 150 marks. So for that you have to keep on doing your hard work. Okay, no problem. Anyone got 180 out of 180? Anyone got? Akash is saying, sir, I got 176. Very good, Akash. Dipti is saying 120. That's also good marks, Dipti, but do more hard work. Cross 150. Anyone got 180 out of 180? No problem. Right now you're not getting, but in need chance is there. Manish Chala 170, good, no problem. Noel 155, that's also good marks, good, no problem. Keep it up. Farida 152, that's also good marks, no problem. Farida, more than 100 is a good marks, yeah. But more than 150, more than 170, like that marks will come, then it's fine. Then it's very good, yeah. Okay. Joshna also very good. Doctor, I cannot give your answer right now. Okay, you can message me on WhatsApp. There I will reply to you. Yeah, Ganeshwari also good marks, no problem. You can message me on WhatsApp, doctor. I will tell you there. Ganeshwari is saying I will improve. Very good, no problem. Vijay, very good marks, no problem. So shall we start with the class? Shuru kare. You can see any video, my number will be there. My number will be there, or you can message Naren sir. He will also give you reply. No problem. Yeah. So, I think in last class we were talking about equation of motion. This is what we studied in last class now. Shall we start from there? Equation of motion. Equation of motion, shall we start? So how many equation of motion I told you? How many equation of motion we were talking about? How many equation of motion? Just started. I know, means we have not done any numerical. Today we will talk about some numericals from there. 4 equation of motions were there. Acha, is it like that these equations will be always applicable? Is it like that this equation is always applicable? Someone is asking my number. No problem. This is my number. Yeah. only applicable when acceleration is constant or uniform acceleration. We can apply for equation of motion only when acceleration in the question is given constant, or you can say uniform. So today we will talk about those equations again. Then we will start with some numerical, because in last class we just did we just started. Okay, no problem, no problem. So see here, be focused, understand each and every point that we'll be getting here. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So first thing, first equation of motion was v equal to u plus at. Second equation of motion was s equal to ut plus half at square. Third equation of motion was v square minus u square will be equal to 2as. Fourth equation of motion was snth will be equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. These are the four equations, but it's not like that any question came, you can apply this equation. These equations you will apply only when in the question it is given acceleration is constant, or in place of constant they will use word uniform. So either acceleration has to be uniform or acceleration has to be constant, then only we can apply this equation of motion. Is it okay? Is it okay? यहाँ से शुरू करें? Is it okay? Is it okay? Shall we start from here now? Yeah, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Okay, no problem. If you want, you can take this 2 inside. So it will become n by minus 1 by 2. That also you can do. Some people are saying, sir, fourth equation I remember. You can remember like that also. No problem, no problem. Yeah. Achha, you tell me one more point. Slowly we'll talk about some properties related with this equation of motion. Just see here, dhyan dena, be focused. Yeah. If anyone asks you, sir, equation of motion completed? Yes, completed. But numericals are not completed. Sir, everyone knows. Actually, every student of class 9th also knows. Every student of class 11th also knows. Every long-term student also knows this equation. But everyone is not able to do the numerical. So how to apply this equation of motion in different situation, I will tell you with the help of some examples. Okay, no problem. Achha, what is u here? What is u? Come on, fast. What is u? What is u here? What is u here? Jaldi. What is u here? What is v here? U is initial velocity, v is final velocity. U is initial velocity, v is final velocity. Achha, in many questions they will say a particle starts from rest. Meaning of that is what? Many times they will say a particle starts from rest. What is meaning of that? What will be u there? U will be 0. So in any question, if it a particle starts from rest, that means one thing should be there, that initial velocity u will be equal to 0. Okay, no problem. What is a here? What is a here? What is a here? Okay, no problem. Yeah, what is a here? A is acceleration. A is acceleration. A is acceleration. No problem. A is acceleration. What is s here? What is s here? What is s here? Jaldi. Twarga. Simple point. What is s here? What is s here? What is s here? Displacement. Actually, it is displacement. But since we are talking about motion in a straight line, so you know distance and displacement both will be equal. That's why whether they are asking you distance or displacement, you can apply both situation this equation of motion. Actually, s is displacement. But since we are talking in motion straight line, I told you distance and displacement both will be equal. So no problem for distance also. As if someone says, a particle moving with certain velocity finally comes to rest. What is the meaning of that? Someone says, particle moving with some velocity, finally particle applies brake and finally particle comes to rest. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? Finally comes to rest. Means final velocity will be 0. Final velocity will be not acceleration 0, Baba. Final velocity will be 0. Achha, someone says, a particle has retardation of 2 meter per second square. What is meaning of that? A particle has retardation of 2 meter per second square. What is meaning of that? If someone says a particle has retardation of 2 meter per second square, what is meaning of that? Then acceleration will be -2. I think everyone knows retardation means negative acceleration. Retardation means negative acceleration. Yeah, okay, no problem. Now yahan pe dhyan do baba. Someone is asking when class it will stop. When it stop, you'll get the information. No problem. Retardation means negative acceleration. Now dhyan dena. Just see here. Okay. Achha, if you look at equation 2 and equation 4, Both are giving you distance now. Equation 2 is also talking about distance. Equation 4 also talking about distance. What is difference between this S and this SNth? What is difference between equation number 2 and equation number 4? Both equations are giving you distance or displacement S. When to use equation number 2 and when to use equation number 4? Batao, Twarga. When they talk about particular second, then we will use fourth equation. For example, someone says, find the distance traveled by the particle in 4th second. Find the distance traveled by the particle in 7th second. That means fourth equation gives you distance only for particular second, like third, like fourth, like fifth. If anyone asks you find the distance traveled in total time, then which equation? Suppose said find the distance traveled by the particle in 3 seconds. Which equation? Find the distance traveled by the particle in 3 seconds. Which equation? Then second equation. Yeah. So total time, second equation. Particular second, then fourth equation. So these are the basic points that we have here. We will start with some numerical. You write one question. Come on. Let's start with some question now. Yeah. Okay. Bahut badhiya. You write. A particle starts from rest. You write. A particle starts from rest. A particle starts from rest with a constant acceleration of 4 meter per second square. A particle starts from rest with a constant acceleration of 4 meter per second square. Find the distance covered by it. Find the distance covered by it. Find the distance covered by it in 3 seconds and 3rd second. Find the distance covered by it in 3 seconds and 3rd second. Find the distance covered by it in 3 seconds and 3rd second. 3 second means mottam 3 second they are talking about, means second equation of motion you will use. 3rd second means particular second, that means 4th equation of motion you will use. I just want to tell you difference between second equation, 4th equation. People do mistake there. Particular second means 4th equation. In total time means second equation. Anjini has given answer. Very good. Give both answers at once. Kaushik, very good. Sharanya, very good. Ruchi, very good. Give both answers. Yeah, 10 and 18. Yeah, what will come 18, other is coming 10. Yeah, okay, bahut badhiya. Means you learned how to use second equation and 4th equation. I will just simple question, so I'll do little fast. Just see here. Yeah, always dhyan do. Always while using equation of motion, collect the data. Data will be given in the form of language. Collect the data. They are saying you, a particle starts from rest, means sir u will be 0 with an acceleration of 4 meter per second square. 4 meter per second square. A particle starts from rest with an acceleration of 4 meter per second square. Now they are asking, in first part they are asking you distance traveled by the particle in 3 seconds, means 0 to 3 seconds. And I know for this we are going to use second equation of motion, ut plus half at square. Now from here if you put u is 0, so this will become 0 plus half a. A is given how much? 4 into t square. Total time given 3, so 3 square. So from here if you calculate, this will give you 18 meter. Yeah, very good, very good. Yeah. Second part of the question, find the distance traveled by the particle in the 3rd second. 3rd second means particular second. Particular second means 4th equation of motion. Essence will be equal to, sir, u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Now from here u is given 0. So it will become 0. A by 2, that means 4 by 2 into 2n. Which n? Which nth second? See here, some people have problem there also. 3rd. So n is 3. Particular second is here. Nth second, so 3rd second, so n will be 3. 3 minus 1. So from here if you calculate 2 and this will become 5. 2 into 5, this will come 10 meter. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? Done. Bolo, 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 Twarga. We will make questions slightly tough, slowly. So point is, 2 minutes सुन लो, 2 minutes सुन लो, then we will do so many numericals. ध्यान देना, be focused, be focused. Today and next class also numericals will do from here. ध्यान देना, be focused. Yeah. You also, you are long-term people, you know the truth that everyone knows this equation of motion. There is not even a single student in long-term who don't know this equation of motion. But when question is asked, everyone is not able to do. Point is reading question here. Are 4 equation only. Answer will always come by using this 4 equation. But everyone don't get answer because they don't read the question carefully. Always you have to read the question carefully. Then you have to apply this equation. Maybe you will apply equation number 1. Answer will not come. Sometimes you'll be confused which equation we have to apply, first or second or third or fourth. There, apply. For example, if you are thinking to apply first. If answer don't come, don't give up. Go for the next equation. Here, things also work based on hit and trial. First equation I applied, answer did not come. Go for the second equation. Go for the third equation. Go for the fourth equation. I will give you one question. Always collect data like this, the way I am collecting the data, because question will be given in the form of language. You have to apply them in equation. So always collect the data. You write the question. Come on. You write. Achha, can we get a question where 2 equations will be used at once? Is it possible? One question, 2 equations will be used, or every question will be solved by only 1 equation? Possibility is there. Maybe in one question, 2 equation. 1 equation will give you 1 unknown. Then you have to use that unknown in the next equation. You write the question. I'll give you one question like that. You write a particle. Yeah, very good. Yeah. A particle starts from rest with uniform acceleration. A particle starts from rest with uniform acceleration and attains a speed of, a particle starts from rest with uniform acceleration and attains a speed of 20 meters per second in 4 seconds. A particle starts from rest with uniform acceleration and attains a speed of 20 meters per second in 4 seconds. Find the distance covered by it in 4 seconds. Find the distance covered by it in 4 seconds. You want distance. Distance will come either from second equation or third equation. But for using second equation, third equation, you require the value of acceleration. So first you have to calculate acceleration with the given data. Use that acceleration to find the distance. Find the distance covered by it in 4 seconds. Hari Krishna, correct. Very good. This is what I am saying. Kaushik, very good. Now 2 equations you have to use. For finding distance, you require either second equation or third equation. But for using second equation, third equation, you require acceleration. Acceleration not given, but using first equation, you can find acceleration. That is what I am saying. 2 equations may be used in one question. I will simply say, sir, what is given in the question? Sir, what is given in the question? Not a tough question. I will simply say, particle starts from rest. Sir, final velocity given 20 meters per second. In how much time, sir? Time is given as 4 seconds. Sir, you are asking me distance in 4 seconds. Means 0 to 4 seconds, how much distance will come? This type of collection you have to do. Then your brain will work more fast. Yeah. Now you tell me, for finding distance, either we require equation 2 or equation 3. You tell me for using equation 2 and equation 3, you require acceleration. Now, does acceleration is given? How you will calculate acceleration here? Batao kaise calculate karoge acceleration? Tell me how you will calculate acceleration. Most of you have done the question. How you will calculate acceleration? Jaldi batao. And acceleration not given. For distance you require acceleration. How you calculate? First equation. Enough data is given. V given, U given, T given. means I can use first equation to get A, sir, because I know V will be equal to U plus AT. What is final velocity, sir? 20. What is U, sir? 0. What is A? I don't know. What is time, sir? 4. So from here acceleration will come 5 meter per second square. Once you got acceleration, now you can use second equation also, you can use third equation also in order to get your displacement. So I'll use second equation, better I will use, because I know U is 0. So this displacement will come, sir, UT, U into T plus half A into T square, 4 square. Now from here we will be getting this answer as 40 meter. बात समझ में आया? Are you getting some point? This question is not important. The point which I am trying to tell is important. Are you getting idea? Bolo, 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 bolo. Bolo, bolo. Come on, tell me. Everyone understood? Huh? Point is, there may be a question in which one equation will not be only applicable. You have to apply maximum 2. There will be not even a single question in three equation. Maximum 2 equation you have to apply. Combination of first and second, or first and third. If particular second is asked, then fourth equation of motion we can get the answer. Do one more question. Come on. You write. You write. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay, you can write. You write. A car, you write. A car moving with a speed of 40 meter per second. A car moving with a speed of 40 meter per second applies brake. A car moving with a speed of 40 meter per second applies brake and comes to rest after traveling a distance of 100 meter. After traveling a distance of 100 meter, find retardation and time taken. Find retardation and time taken. You know brake will provide retardation, so you have to tell me how much retardation brake will provide and how much time it was taking. In how much time car stopped. Anjani, very good. Anjani has given answer for retardation. Retardation will come 16 or 8. Retardation will come 8. Retardation will come 8. Yeah, Kavita correct. Kadiala correct. Sindhu correct. Saranya, how you are getting 16? I think 8 will come. How will calculate time? Time will be calculated using first. This is what I am trying to tell. There will be multiple in one question. Maximum 2 equation will work. If only they ask you acceleration or retardation, only one equation required. But they are asking you both, that means 2 equations will be required. So from there we can talk and we can get. I think everyone is getting, no problem. Yeah. So tell me in the question, what is U? What is U here? Car moving with a speed of 40 meter per second, means U is 40. Comes to rest. What is V? What is final velocity? 0. No problem. Car moving with a speed of 40 meter per second and it is given finally comes to rest, means final velocity is 0. How much distance given, sir? 100 meter. You tell me which equation I should apply to get retardation. Which equation I should apply? Jaldi bata do. Which equation I should apply? Jaldi, jaldi, Twarga. Which equation I should apply? Now you have to see, sir, which equation relates V, U, A and S, third equation. This is what I am saying. Once you collect the data, sir, which equation will relate all these 4? That is third. Use third equation. Sir, V square minus U square will be equal to 2AS. Now what is final velocity, sir? Comes to rest. V0. U is 40, sir. So 40 square will be equal to 2A. A we don't know, sir. S they have given as 100, sir. Now from here you can get this will give you 1600. That will become 2 into A into 100. From here A will be coming as minus 8 meter per second square. They only ask retardation. So retardation, no need to write negative for retardation. Retardation means already negative. So that's why retardation will come 8 meter per second square. Very good. No problem. How you will calculate the time? The time will come using third equation. How will calculate the time? Batao. How will you calculate the time? They also ask you find the time in which it will stop. Now which equation? Time. For time you can use either first or second, both will work. Point is, once you got acceleration, that means you can use first also, you can use second also. I'll use first equation because it's easy. I'll simply say the time you want. Now I know acceleration, so V will be equal to U plus 80. Now what is final velocity, sir? What is final velocity? 0. What is U, sir? 40. What is A, sir? Minus 8 into T. So from here T will be coming as 5 seconds. How many of you got both answers correct? Ek baar bata do, then we'll move further. How many of you got this answer correct? Both answers? You can use second equation also, no problem. Vijay got, Farida got, bahut badhiya. Kavita got, Sajid got, Anand got, Sharanya got, Shrinu got, Naved got, Hari got. Yeah, Vagdevi got. I think everyone got. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. See all these questions. We'll move further. I will give you one more question. Chalo. I'll give you some more question, then we will talk further. Yeah. Once completed, you can say done, sir. I'm giving you 2 seconds. Just see this question, then we'll move further. Aage badhenge. Once completed, you can say done, sir. And once I will say you can say done, sir, you'll start saying done, sir. Opika ledu. Yeah. Why to have Opika, sir? Till the time will not become doctor, will not stop. Hunger is there. Till NEET 2024, hunger is there. Opika ledu. We have to work hard. We have to become doctor. That's it. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Hunger not for food, bhojanam. Hunger to become doctor. Okay, no problem. I'll give you one more question. Come on. You write. A particle. You write a particle moving with uniform acceleration. A particle moving with uniform acceleration. A particle, okay, no problem. Now, a particle moving with uniform acceleration is found to have velocity of 10 meter per second. Is found to have velocity of 10 meter per second after 1 second. Is found to have velocity of 10 meter per second after 1 second. And 20 meter per second after 3 seconds. A particle moving with uniform acceleration is found to have velocity of 10 meter per second after 1 second and 20 meter per second after 3 seconds. Find its initial velocity and acceleration. 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 Two times you have to use. You have to frame two equations. Question is not tough. Reading question is very important. Nowhere in the question they said particle starts from rest. You cannot take initial velocity 0. Never be a fool. If it is given starting from rest, then only. Uniform acceleration means constant acceleration. Ramesh, क्या पूछ रहा है बाबा? Uniform acceleration means constant acceleration. You can apply equation of motion. That's why they have used word uniform acceleration. Otherwise, you cannot apply. Very good. Kavita Shri has given acceleration. Very good. Narayana has given acceleration. Very good. So if you got the acceleration, then you can get the value of u also. Gala Anjani, very good. And by coincidence, both. Vara Prasad, very good. Saranya, very good. By coincidence, both will come 5-5. Both will come 5-5 because I have given you data like that. Both will come. U will also come 5. A will also come 5. Both will come 5-5. Yeah. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good, very good. Yeah. Acceleration will also come 5, and if you calculate, u will also come 5. Now ध्यान देना. थोड़ा point को ध्यान दो. Be focused, be focused. You tell me, is it mandatory that initial velocity will be always 0? Is it mandatory that initial velocity will be always 0? एक बार बोल दो. Is it mandatory that initial velocity will be always 0? No, always, until and unless it is not given in the question, particle starts from rest, dimag mein baitha lo, you cannot take initial velocity. Read the question. In the question, if they said, this is the problem with this type of situation, a student always think initial velocity 0, 0. No. If it is given in the question, then only you take initial. Not given, I will not take. I will assume. So in the question, they are saying, a particle has velocity of 10 meter per second after 1 second. They are not talking about initial velocity. I don't know. Initial velocity, I will assume u, acceleration a. Now they have said, after time of 1 second, how much velocity particle has? Particle has velocity of 10 meter per second. After 1 second, this is what is given now. A particle is found to have velocity of 10 meter per second after 1 second. Means after 1 second, final velocity is 10. Initially, you'll never assume 0 until unless it is not given. Kabhi nahi assume karoge. If it is given starting from rest, then only you'll assume initial velocity is 0. Not given, I will not assume. I will assume u and a. Now I'll simply say, sir, final velocity after 1 second given. I can write, sir, v equal to u plus at. Sir, what is final velocity given after 1 second? Time is 1 second. What is final velocity? 10. So 10 will be equal to u plus a. A into t. What is time? Time is 1. You'll get the first equation. First equation will come u plus a equal to 10. Similarly, sir, second velocity is also given after 3 seconds. Sir, again final velocity given. Final velocity given. Again it is given as, sir, 20 meter per second. That means again I can use, sir, v equal to u. Starting is same because 0 to 3, 0 to 1. So starting initial velocity is same. U plus a into t. What is time now, sir? Time is 3. So now again you can write equation, second equation will come. U plus 3a will be equal to 20. Now if you want, you can solve them. You can calculate u, put here, or if you want, simply subtract them. If you subtract them, easiest way to solve, subtract them. If you subtract this equation, u will get cancelled. U will get cancelled. Here you will get a minus 3a. That will give you minus 2a. Minus 2a. 10 minus 20 will give you minus 10. So a will be coming as 5. Once you got the a, put in any of the equation. I got the value of a, sir. I will put the value of a here, sir. I will get u. Once you put here or here, anywhere you can put, no problem. Same answer will come. If you put it here, then you will get u plus a. What is a? Is 5. That will be equal to 10. So u will be coming as 5 meter per second. Did you got the idea? Everyone understood? Can I be 100% sure if tomorrow such question will come in the NEET, everyone will be able to do? बोल दो एक बार. सब कोई कर लोगे. How to play with equation of motion. Equation of motion you have to play. That's it. You have to read the question, collect the data, use that form equation, solve. Somehow if you do, always answer will come. Always answer will come. Very good. No problem. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Now we will move further. Now we'll talk about one more part. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. So 4 equation of motions are there which we can play, we can see the data and we can get the answer. Now dhyan dena, be focused, you see here. If you look at NCERT, one application of this part, yeah, okay. No problem, no problem. Now Akash, ध्यान दो यहाँ पे. Okay, now be focused here. Just see, now you're in go slides. ध्यान देना. Just see here. Okay, be focused. Just see. Always remember, if you look at NCERT now, they are not talking about this type of numerical or general trend numerical which are everywhere you will find. They are talking about one special case, special application of equation of motion. Can you tell me what is that what is application? Can you guess which application I am targeting? Which application I am targeting now? One application of this equation of motion is given in NCERT. That application we will talk. Fourth equation I will talk later on. No problem. Again, we will talk about fourth equation. Can you guess? Not Galileo's ratio. It will come in for you write stopping distance and stopping time. One of the favorite question of NEET. 5-6 times they have asked. You write stopping distance and stopping time. We'll talk about stopping distance and stopping time. Stopping distance and stopping time. Stopping distance and stopping time. And these are nothing new. These are simply application of equation of motion. Even if you do even if you forget the formula, nothing to worry. You can use equation of motion always to get stopping distance, always to get stopping time. You can write stopping distance. Since this is given last paragraph of this chapter, if you look in NCERT, they are talking about this stopping distance and stopping time. So we will talk about that part. Theoretical question can also come tomorrow. Numerical can also. Numerical 5-6 times they have asked previously in the NEET exam also, JEE mains exam also. Many of you are knowing also, no problem. Yeah. So be focused, understand how we'll be talking. How we'll be talking is stopping distance, stopping time. Dhyan dena, be focused. Yeah. Achha, tell me, if you are driving your scooty, suddenly you saw something on the road, what you do? You are driving your scooty with some speed, you saw something on the road, what you do? बताओ क्या करते हो? When you see something on the road, what do you do? What do you do? You apply brake. Sir, क्या पूछ रहे हो sir? Yeah. If okay, sir, if we are cruel people, we will not apply brake. We will kill that person. No problem. But sir, we are human beings, so we see something, we apply. Achha, tell me, is it like that you apply your brake and your scooty stop? Is it like that you saw something, you applied brake, scooty stop? Is it like that? Or even after application of brake, your scooty travels some distance? बताओ, एक बार सोचो. You have driven car, you have driven a scooty, you have driven bike. When you apply brake, it's not. Even if you apply full brake now, I'm going with 100 km/h. I saw something on the road. If I apply full brake also, my car will not stop there. It will travel some distance. So after application of brake, the distance travel is known as, because car has some velocity now. Velocity will not suddenly. For example, if you are running fastly and someone says stop. You cannot stop at once. You require to travel due to inertia of motion. So always remember once. So now I will again ask you, tell me, if you apply brake, does your scooty will stop the instant you apply brake? Just tell me, does your scooty or bike will stop the instant you apply brake? Tell me yes or no. No, sir. So after application of brake, scooty travels some distance. That distance car required to stop. That's why its name is stopping distance. Your car travel for some time. That time required to stop is known as stopping time. Questions are asked from there. Just see here how we'll be talking. Just see here. Yeah. Use those concepts which I told you. Just see here. For example, just see here. ध्यान देना यहाँ पे, ध्यान देना. Be focused. Just see. Yeah. For example, assume you are driving your car or scooty or bike. Okay, no problem. You are driving your car, scooty or bike. This is the road. This is the road. No problem. No problem. Yeah. Now you are driving. So of course you will be driving your car with some speed u. You will be driving your car with some speed u. Suddenly you saw something on. Dhyan dena. Suddenly you saw something on the road. You applied brake, but you know once brake will be applied, car will have retardation, sir. Car will have retardation, sir. That I am representing as -a. Now, once you apply brake, your car will not stop here. It will travel some distance. Everybody requires some distance to stop. Everybody requires some time to stop. That distance required to stop is known as stopping distance. That time required to stop is known as stopping time. So if you apply brake, car will not stop there. Before stopping, it will travel some distance. And finally, car will come to rest. Final velocity will become 0. This distance car travel for stopping is known as stopping distance. Stopping distance. And question is asked to find this stopping distance. They will ask you, find the stopping distance. After application of brake, how much distance car will travel? This distance is known as stopping distance. Can you tell me which equation of motion can relate U, V, S and A? I want S. Which equation of motion I should use? You will tell. U is known, sir. V is known, came to rest. A is known. Which equation? Third equation of motion. Third. This is what I'm saying you. Understanding of equation. If time is asked, first equation. If distance is asked, third equation. I will simply say, sir, finally car will come to rest na, sir. What you are saying, sir? Finally car. V I know, sir. U I know. A I know. S you want. I'll simply say, sir, I will use third equation of motion. Sir, V square minus U square will be equal to 2A into S. What is final velocity, sir? Stopping distance means car has a stop. V is 0. So 0 square minus U is given, sir. U square. That will be equal to 2A. A. What is acceleration here, sir? Retardation. That's why minus A into S. So from here, S will be coming as U square by 2A. This is the stopping distance that we are talking about. So always remember, sometimes they ask this value or many times they ask simply stopping distance will depend on speed. How? Stopping distance will be proportional to square of the speed. This is the thing which is given in NCERT. Stopping distance proportional to square of the speed. If you double the speed, stopping distance will become 4 times. Similarly, you can calculate for time also. If anyone asks you for time, sir, how much time it will take? You can use first equation, sir. Final velocity, V equal to U plus AT, sir. What is final velocity, sir? 0. What is initial U? What is A, sir? Minus A into T. So stopping time will come U by A. Means stopping time will be proportional to U. Stopping distance proportional to U square, stopping time proportional to U. Is it okay? This is the statement of NCERT. Stopping distance is proportional to square of the velocity. Yeah. So always keep this result in your mind. Stopping distance, U square by 2A. Tomorrow also it will be used in different chapters. Stopping distance, U square by 2A. U square by 2A. Stopping distance proportional to square of velocity. Okay, no problem, no problem. Everyone is getting idea. We'll do some question. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Yeah, okay, no problem, yeah. Acha, you tell me. Dhyan dena, some practical things. Acha, what do you think? What do you think? If you are going with double speed, chance of making accident is, for example, understand what I'm trying. Don't make accident. Yeah, I'm just giving you idea. Yeah, keep these things in your mind. For example, if I'm going with 50 km per hour, next time I'm going with 100 km per hour, both time I'm going to apply brake. You tell me when I'm going with 100 km per hour, when I'm going with double speed, chance of making accident by applying brake is double or 4 times. Bata do, double or 4 times? Double or 4 times. Chance of making accident, double or 4 times? 4 times. People think I'm going with double speed. Now double chance is there. Double is not the chance. And now 4 times. Dekho yahan pe stopping distance proportional to square of velocity. If you double the speed, stopping distance will become 4 times. 4 times extra distance you require. Before that, you will hit the person. So always remember, if you want, sometimes you can relate them. S1 by S2 will be equal to U1 by U2 whole square. With speed U1, if stopping distance is S1. With speed U2, if stopping distance is S2, then you can say S proportional to U square. So from there, you can say S1 by S2 will be equal to U1 by U2 whole square. Square of, so always keep in your mind. That's why your grandfather, your mother, your father, your brother says, drive slowly. Because you are doubling the speed means chance you are making 4 times, Baba. Are you getting? Chance is becoming 4 times. You are thinking, sir, 10 I am going, I will go with 20. क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं आया होगा. कुछ भी आएगा, रोड पे ब्रेक अप्लाई कर दूंगा, रुक जाएगा ना. 4 times it will, risk will be 4 times. So that's why. Are you getting idea? Everyone understood? So right, that's why while driving, be careful. Yeah. So come on, tell me, stopping distance is proportional to, tell me, stopping distance is proportional to, how stopping distance depend on speed? S will be proportional to, stopping distance will be proportional to, jaldi bata do, stopping distance will be proportional to square of velocity. Square, double the velocity, stopping distance will become 4 times. Double the velocity, stopping distance will become 4 times. Half the velocity, stopping distance will become 1 by 4 times. If you want, you can use that. S1 by S2 will be equal to U1 by U2 whole square. One last thing I will tell you, then I will give you 1-2 question from here. Just here, one last thing I will tell. Achha, you tell me, for any moving body, dhyan dena, just see here. Okay, no problem. One last point, which is also used. Previous year JEE Mains question I am targeting. Yeah. Everyone knows that stopping distance is U square by 2a. You tell me, does for a moving body, only speed is important? Does for a moving body, is only speed is important? A body is moving, sir, a bike is moving, a car is moving. Does only their speed is important? Does their only speed is important? Ah, bolo. Their momentum is also important. Same speed, cycle will hit you. Same speed, truck will hit you. Lots of difference will be there. So always remember, we are talking in the terms of speed. Sometimes they talk in the terms of momentum. They will say a car has momentum. So when momentum they ask, write P equal to mu. From here find U, P by M, and put that U there. You'll get the result in the terms of momentum. Sometimes they talk in the terms of kinetic energy. If they talk in the terms of kinetic energy, K will be half mu square. So find U square from here. Put there, you'll get the same result in the terms of kinetic energy also, in the terms of momentum also. Are you getting the idea? If a cycle moving with 10 meter per second and if a truck moving with 10 meter per second, both will hit you. Cycle moving with 10, nothing will happen to you. But if truck moving with 10 will hit you, so many things will happen. So only we are talking in the terms of speed because we are talking about equation of motion. But tomorrow, same result can be used for momentum and kinetic energy. Done. Ho jayega. Bol do. Torga. So no need to remember for momentum and kinetic energy. Just if you want, you can remember. If you forget concept I told you, third equation of motion apply, get the value of S, then remaining things you can do. I will give you one question. Come on, do. You write. When a car, yeah, very good, no problem. When a car, previous year JEE Mains question, when a car is moving with speed U, stopping distance is D. When a car is moving with speed U, stopping distance is D. When a car is moving with speed U, stopping distance is D. Find the stopping distance. When a car is moving with speed U, stopping distance is D. Find the stopping distance when the same car is moving with. Find the stopping distance when the same car is moving with speed 4u. Find the stopping distance when the same car is moving with speed 4u. Your answers would have come till now. Proportional to square of velocity. Velocity got 4 times, it will get 16 times. No need to use S1 by S2 equal to U1 by U2 whole square. Directly you can do. Yeah, it will become 16D. Yeah. If you want to go with formula, then you'll say like this. Sir, S1 by S2 will be coming as u1 by u2 whole square. Now from here, sir, S1 is given how much? D. S2 you want, sir. What is U1 given, sir? U1 is given U. What is U2 given, sir? 4U whole square. If you want to go with formula, so from here it will come, sir. D by S2 will be coming as 1 by 4 square means 16. So S2 will come 16D. But no need to do this much. No need to do. No need to remember directly. Sir, I know stopping distance is proportional to square of velocity. Sir, velocity became from u to 4u. So what is the square of 416? That means stopping distance will become d to 4d. D2, not 4d, it become square. So square of 4, that means it will become from d to 60d. Is it okay? कर लोगे जल्दी बताओ त्वरगा. We'll move further, आगे बढ़ेंगे. हैं? हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. So this is how we talk about stopping distance, stopping time. Yeah, बहुत बढ़िया, very good, super, no problem, no problem. Yeah. Now I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all this situation, then we'll move further. One more part we will talk, then we will end the class. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Once you can see for 5 seconds, then we'll move further. Once completed, you can say done, sir. आगे बढ़ो सर. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Now ध्यान देना. Now ध्यान देना. Now again be focused. Slowly I'm trying to catch all the important things which are asked from equation of motion. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay. Now ध्यान देना, ध्यान देना. Be focused. Be focused. Just see here. Yeah. अच्छा. Just now we studied. ध्यान देना. Be focused. Be focused. Just now we studied, sir, first equation, second, third, fourth. Now I will target fourth equation of motion. Some special situations related with fourth equation of motion. ध्यान देना. Be focused. Be focused. Yeah. You already know na, Snth equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Everyone knows fourth equation. Sir, Snth equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. But sometimes they ask ratio of distance in Snth and Sn plus 1th. Dhyan, Galileo's ratio will talk in the next class because time is not there. Some small part I will try to cover up. Always remember, dhyan dena. Some questions are asked like this. They will say, a particle starts from rest with uniform acceleration. This is NEET 2021 question, NEET 17 question, JEE Mains 19 question. Important part, simple part. They will say a particle starts from rest with uniform acceleration. They will ask you, find ratio of distance traveled by it in nth second and Sn minus 1th. This ratio they will ask you. Second, I will ask you to do. I will ask you to do. You can do all this. Second, they will ask you Sn nth and Sn plus 1th. Third, they will ask you Sn minus 1th by Sn plus 1th. Four are asked here. Fourth, they will ask you Snth and S0 to N. All are important. All have been asked previously, sir. This is also previous year JEE Mains question. So I want all of you to know all this, how to find these ratios. You can tell. Ruchi has given answer for the first one. Perfect, Ruchi. Second one answer also correct. Very good, Ruchi. Now, Nayana has given answer. Very good. You have to use fourth equation because they are talking about particular seconds. Sindhu has given answer for the first one. Okay, Sindhu, very good. Gala has given answer for third one, I think. Very good, Gala. Naved has also given answer. Very good, Naved. Naina, very good. Ruchi, third answer correct. Very good. Bahut badhiya, bahut badhiya. Only in place of n you have to put n plus 1 or n plus n minus 1 depending on the situation. Fourth one, I am waiting for answer for the fourth one. Fourth one, numerator will come with fourth equation. Denominator will come with the help of third equation, a second equation. 0 to n, total time. This is particular time. हाँ, Ruchi, very good. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Dipti, very good. Yeah. So I think you will be able to do, but I don't have that much of time because other class is also there. So once I will tell you those who are feeling problem, but I feel everyone is getting, yeah, okay, no problem. So एक बार देख लो, derive them by yourself, okay, no problem. हाँ, very good, बहुत बढ़िया. Everyone is giving answer. These are all our particular second, nth, n minus 1. That means now, sir, nth we already know, u is 0. So u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. But when you calculate this one, again, u plus a by 2 into 2n. Now it is n minus 1. So in place of n, when n is there, you are putting n here. Now it is n minus 1. So in place of n, you will put n minus 1. Remaining things are same. Now a by 2 will get cancelled. You will get answer here. Here final answer will come 2n minus 1 by, this is NEET 2021 question. 2n minus 2 minus 1. That means 2n minus 3. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? Those who have never done, are they getting? Very good, everyone will get. Second one, again, nth, u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1 is here in place of n. Now you have to put n plus 1. So this will finally become 2n minus 1 by 2n plus 1. 2n minus 1 by 2n plus 1. Is it okay? Because in place of n, when you put here a by 2 into 2n, n is n plus 1. So 2n plus 2 minus 1, it will give you 2n plus 1. This will give you same like that. Here minus 1, if you n minus 1 you put, it will give you 2n minus 3, and this will give you 2n plus 1. This combination, and this will give you nth particular second, means fourth equation, u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1, and this will give you total n second. Total 0 to n means total. Mottam n second I told you, for mottam times second equation, ut. So 0 into n plus half a into n square. Now from here this will get cancelled. A by 2 is already 0. So this will give you finally 2n minus 1 by n square. Is it okay? सबको समझ में आया क्या? बोल दो एक बार. हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया. So once again you can practice, okay, no problem. So this is how Galileo's ratio and more problem we will talk in our next class. For today we'll be ending our class here only because time అయిపోయింది. Next situation we will talk more situations from here in the next class. For today we'll be ending class here only. Tata, bye bye, take care, study well. Study with responsibility, study with dedication, study with one zeal in your heart, study with hunger to become doctor next year. Always remember, this hunger in the heart is very important to become doctor. So come on, work hard, all the best. Tata, bye bye, take care. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Bye. थक गए देले